Girl, look. Do you see that Chucky doll in the window? Oh my goodness, she's so fluffy. I don't know, girl. She kind of look like you. Maybe you should get her.
What's up, fam? It's your girl, Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another video. So before we get into this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like this video, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. But let's go ahead and jump right in. Y'all, I tried this costume on. I wish I had kept the footage of me trying this costume on because it was a struggle. The struggle was real to get into this costume. And I think it's super cute. Like, I really love this. This costume is from Amazon, but it's also from Forplay. So meaning you can buy like different items on Amazon, you know, different sellers. So Forplay is on Amazon, like I stated in my last video. I love that it says wanna play. Like, your girl had to put a bra on because clearly it ain't fitting. So this Chucky is chunky, okay? Like the top is super cute. Now, I believe that the top is supposed to go underneath, but listen, I was struggling so hard to get into this costume that I was just like, you know what? It's a wrap. However it goes on, and that's it. So I really love the wig. And I mean, listen, you're getting all these items for like, what was it? $79. So you're getting the wig, you're getting the top, you're getting the bodysuit. You ain't getting the stockings, so you gotta get your own stockings. But you're also getting the socks. Let me show you. Yes! And yes, I have my fuzzies on. But this is super cute. Like, I absolutely love this. So girlfriend, all of that for $79? I think that's a deal. I like it. So I will say that this is in a size a large, extra large. And this one is, I mean, I guess because it's supposed to be like sexy or whatever, it's supposed to be cut sexy. So the girls is out. Don't mind my deodorant stains, but it's supposed to be, you know, cut out or whatever, or meant for women with smaller boobs, because clearly this 38H ain't fitting up in here. Like, I don't know, y'all. This one might have been a bust. But I still love this costume. I think it's so cute. Oh, and I did forget to mention, it does come with the knife. Now, the knife is like a plastic thing that looks wooden. It looks pretty good. Don't ask me where I put it, because I really don't know. If you want to get this costume, I would definitely say size up, because like I said, this is a large, extra large. Like, that's how they come, with like 2 sizes on them. So it's apparently it's supposed to fit a person that is large and extra large all at the same time. So your girl must be extra, extra large. At least in the boobage area. The sweater part, the shirt part, is supposed to fit like this. It's actually like a crop top, like mock neck, so it's supposed to fit like this. So I absolutely love it. I really do. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or not, but if I don't, it will be on my Poshmark. The wig is pretty good, y'all. It's made really good, so it's not one of those cheap wigs, you know, or whatever. So I absolutely like that. Comment down below and let me know if you want me to do more Halloween costumes for October, so we can get it on and popping with these try-on hauls, okay? And another thing, fam, I did want to let you know that my times are changing. So I'm definitely going to be posting, but I'm only going to be posting twice a week, and that's going to be Sunday and Thursday at 1 p.m. sharp. And if you don't join me, Chucky is going to have to get you. Fluffy Chucky. I want to thank you for watching this video. It's been a pleasure. to be your fluffy Chucky. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, rate, share, subscribe, do it all, okay? Because if you don't, Chucky gonna come for you. Bye.